There we go. I now have a place to put my coffee. This is a little trivet designed by Jason, or as you may know him, Pattern to Print. I talked to him at Murph, and what's curious about this trivet is that it expands into a little basket. Let's talk about how you can print one of these yourself at home and how I just printed one. I'm Joel. This is 3D Printing Nerd. This episode of 3D Printing Nerd is sponsored by Matterhackers. You may remember from my Murph video talking to Jason, and he showed off this amazing looking trivet. This is the test one. This is the one that you can print on your printer at home to make sure your printer is able to do the things that it needs to do in order to print this. How does it work? It's a simple design where a spiral pattern is printed up in Z, and then that spiral just kind of expands into this basket when you pull it up. The big secret is the center part is glued to a small post in the base plate. It's a really cool proof of concept, plus once you print the test piece, then you're ready for the big one. So this is the small one. This is the big one. This huge looking spiral trivet maze looking thing, again by Jason, Pattern to Print. It's 60 hours to print this. It's printed in MH build, lime green. I have not glued this to the base quite yet. So there's the base, and you can see that there are 5 small posts, and then on this side you can see that there are 5 holes to receive the posts, and it is a little springy. That's kind of fun. So what I'm gonna do is glue these down to these 5 posts, and then we'll see if it works. I'm gonna use some standard CA glue. This is gap filling medium, and I'm gonna put some on top of each of the pegs, and then I'm hoping it holds it down. And then I just let it cure. I think I'll be okay. I had to make a bigger hole in that one. All right, here we go. Let's see. There, just like that. Kind of a big dollop. There we go. I can set this off. And we just go enjoy our coffee, and I'll be right back. Hey, it's been a few minutes. Let's give it a test. It works as a trivet. There we go. That was a fun video. Thank you I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Here it is. Here it is. All right, let's move the coffee aside. Let's pick this up. Let's, here you go, have a look. It's such a cool model. Jason did such a good job designing this. I don't know, there's something to it. He just really did a fantastic job. It's hypnotic to watch this thing print, and it's 60 hours. It's 60 hours of printing because it's all just a bunch of solid lines of plastic, and it looks great. It works great. Jason, thank you for the great model. Of course, I'd like to see if you guys could print any of this, even this small test one, which I thought came out great. The big one fit on the Prusa, it fit on the Prusa, it fit on the Pulse, it fit on the Ultimaker, it would fit on the G-Max, it fit on the Raise, it fit on the Lulzbot. It wouldn't fit on a MakerBot. It wouldn't fit on a MakerBot. But I'd love to see if you could print this. I'd love to see it bigger. I'd love to see it smaller. I'd love to see what you can do with it. I'm gonna put a link down in the description to this file on Thingiverse, and I'd love to see if you could print it, and if you can, tag me on Twitter, post it there. I'm at Joel Telling. Easy enough. Hey, thanks for watching. Support the channel by clicking links down below. Don't forget to hug each other more. I love you guys, as always. High five.